So, April Norris again. We are going to do a new lab. This one is called Cool Chemical Reactions. My helpers are going to demonstrate this in a few minutes. The point of this lab is to allow them on their own to verify the law of conservation of mass. They are going to make mistakes, and that is okay. What I normally do is allow them to make the mistakes, and then at the end we redo it once I've pointed out what mistakes were made. So that's what they are going to do. Marzano strategies used in this lab are examining errors in reasoning, because as I said, they are going to make mistakes, and recording content, because they are going to have to record the mass for these things and the mass of the products at the end.
Using an if-then format, write a hypothesis for your experiment that describes the relationship between the mass of the reactants and the mass of the products of this chemical reaction. Record your hypothesis on your student answer page. If we mix baking soda and vinegar together, then the mass will stay the same because conservation of mass law says it should stay the same. What procedures are we going to use?
Now we're going to put 1 teaspoon of baking soda into our cup.
Now we're going to find the mass of the solution. The mass is 24.29.
So now we're going to put 3 milliliters of vinegar into our cup.
Now we're going to find the mass of the vinegar. The mass is 18.63.
Now we're going to mix them together and find our mass. It is 27.69.
We messed up because we forgot to weigh the cup and the bag before we added the solutions into it. Everything is measured in grams. $14.97. Okay, bag. $3.37.
So now we're going to put 1 teaspoon of baking soda into the cup. Then we're going to find the mass.
25.90. So now we got to subtract 14.97 grams from 25.90 grams. $10.93. Okay, so that is the mass of the baking soda.
Now we're going to put 3 milliliters of vinegar into our other cup that we have. We're going to find the mass again.
17.89. Now we're going to subtract 14.97 grams from 27.60. or 17.89. .92. Okay, so that's the mass of the vinegar. So now, get the bag ready. So now we're going to measure this all together.
So we added our vinegar and baking soda and got 13.85. Then we added 13.85 to the cup, which is 14.97, and bag, that is 3.37, and got 32.19. And that's what we got for our final mass.
So our conclusion is that the law of conservation of mass is correct.